Hello friends, welcome to Sumatri channel. For today's recipe, I am going to make dill weed and chana dal snack. Dill weed is having amazing health benefits. It is having antioxidants and also iron, zinc, potassium, magnesium. Dillweed is used for digestion problems and also whoever suffering diabetes it is used. To make this recipe, I am using 1.5 cup chana dal, wash thoroughly and soak in a water at least 4 hours. Drain out water, transfer to mixie jar, and also you need to add 1.5 inch ginger and also 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and also you need to add 1 teaspoon of salt. After adding salt, you need to close the lid and grind like a coarse batter. If required, you need to add very little amount of water. If you add more water, this snack won't come. It will be liquidy. Here I am using the leaves and green chilies and onion to make this recipe. According to your taste, you can add spiciness. After washing all the vegetables, first finely chopped green chilies you need to add. After that, you need to add. Here I am adding chopped green chili pieces, and also here I am using 1 teaspoon of curry leaves powder. If you have fresh curry leaves, you can add. Add chopped veggies. After adding all the ingredients, you need to mix well. After mixing all the ingredients, your batter must be like this. So now you need to wet your hand and take small batter and make into round ball. So now using plastic bag or plastic sheet, you can make a shape with your wet hand. So repeatedly how many you want you can do. So after making all the shapes, it must be like this. For you need now you need to heat the oil for deep fry. So now drop slowly into the oil and make both sides fry. First 1 minute, don't flip other side. After dropping, after 1 minute, you need to leave in the oil. After that, you need to tilt to other side. While deep frying the snack, you need to fry evenly. So you need to follow the video how I am cooking. So always tilt both sides and cook the snack. Then it will cook evenly. After frying, using sieve, take out from the oil and transfer to paper towel. So it will absorb the excess of oil. Then your dill leaves and chana dal snack is ready to serve. You can serve with chutneys or you can eat it as it is. I hope you like the recipe. Please like, to share, comment, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.